happened to the Retsuko that let Tsubone have it with both barrels? Oh, thank goodness you're alive! We were looking for you all over the office. Fenoko went to a really morbid place. It was nothing. Don't worry about it. Anytime that laptop gives you trouble, just bring it back to me. Hey, level with me. Who's this guy that Retsuko's dating? I wasn't born yesterday. I see it on her face. You must know something about the dude. That's not your fault I waited too long. I want to punch him.
3, 2, 1! I was gonna say 3, 4, 5 for some reason. 3, 4, 5! Good! I think I did it. I think I did it all concisely. I still talk way too much. I need to get out of that habit of talking way too much. I'm doing it again! Jag älskar dig. Somebody speak in Danish to me, and that means I love you too. Oh, you guys. Hey! Is your name Spillage? Cause you got fine written all over you. It's a Turmoil reference. Downtown! How about this? You are my hero, thanks for everything. Oh, thank you. Oh, it makes me feel all warm and fuzzy.
Someday, Abu, things are gonna change. We'll be rich, live in a palace, and never have any problems at all. Provisos? You mean limitations? On wishes? Some all-powerful genie can't even bring people back from the dead. I don't know, Abu. He probably can't even get us out of this cave. Looks like we're gonna have to find a way out of here.
Why? Why are you... Why did you come back? Shut up. You shouldn't be here. Leave this sea. Right now. You're just impediments as far as I'm concerned. I told you, you can't be here. Don't make me say it again. You aren't going to listen. Then, I'll have to devour you. Perfect. Bring it on!
Save me, save me.
What? Save me!
Need any help, little camper? I must say, you do look like you know what you're doing. Have a nice lunch, boys. And remember, only you can prevent forest fires.
Roger! Honey bunny! Let's go home and play. Oh, how about a little patty cake instead?
What? After 3 seasons of kindness, I'm reduced to evil kisser status?
Fine. Vote Trent off.
That's the idea, genius.
Oh, my claustrophobia! The walls, they're closing in. I'm like a caged animal, man. I can't take another second. Ah!
They say man one more time, I'm gonna puke.
If I win, I'm gonna buy Camp Wawanakwa so I can burn it down and turn it into a graveyard. By the way, that's a great look on you.
I'm not going out with you. Ever. What part of Beat It don't you understand? What are you, some kind of freak?
Tatsumiya? Sorry, I'm late. Was the sword really stolen? Why? Tatsumiya? Where are you? Huh? Sal? Why? You can't... What's going on? Why does Sal look like... Samekichi? Of course! What? Is it... Why?
Surrender, wizard! Smurf Blossom, no! Breathe deep and step away from the Papa Thing. That's clear. Not so fast, Papa Thing. That's right. I'm Smurf Willow, leader of the Smurfs. Whatever you say, Papa Thing. Well, if the thing fits. Self-taught, actually. Thank you. Don't be weird.